I feel like the easiest way to promote the Chinese culture to the world is interacting more with a lot of nations, because like right now I've been able to interact with you. You have promoted the Chinese culture to me. Now I'm going to the country and everyone in my region want to know, okay, what is this, what is that? And that is one way of promoting the Chinese culture.
So I think that it's very important that the Kenyan fellows are here, getting to know a lot of the culture of the China. I think it's very important that also the Chinese students and the youth can also learn from Kenya, come and visit Kenya and promote this cultural exchange. And UNFPA is very willing to support this collaboration.